Here's how to easily and quickly recover your TikTok account on a computer. First, you will type TikTok in your search bar in any browser. Next, you will try to log into TikTok. So we click on TikTok login. There, we see that we cannot log in. We will log in with Google, Facebook, your email, or the QR code. So really, we have no options. Imagine that you really no longer have your account and want to recover it. Well, you will click at the top right. I don't know if you see it. It says feedback and help. You need to click on it. A new page will open to go directly to support. Then we will simply check all the reasons why we cannot recover an account. No, we will scroll down a bit. We will go to accounts right here. Then, well, we will see that there are plenty of options. But if you want to be interested, it's to recover our TikTok account. So we will click on Other right here. We click. It takes us right here. And now what we will do is simply say that, well, this page did not help us by clicking on the button name right here. We click. Then we click on the red button that tells us we need more help. Next, we will be offered either to log in to access support or to send an email directly to TikTok support. So we will click on Continue with an email. We click. Here, we will explain where our problem comes from. So we will choose the subject. So here, for example, it could be our account. Now it's up to you to choose the thing closest to your problem. We will simply say that, well, we have a problem recovering our account. Now, a new category appears. So we see connection problem or recover your TikTok account. We click. Then we have all the articles that can help us. I invite you to click on them to read. But we will simply put our username. For example, I put the username with an @ of course. Very important. Next, we will put our date of birth. So, for example, just like that. The region. So, for example, we can put anything. Your email. There, I will put any email. In fact, you simply answer all these specific questions. I really put random things, but for you, it's important to be extremely precise. Are you going to connect your account to another social network? That will be very... Then you will put the email where you should be contacted. So here too, you put a good email. It's very important. There, you enter all the details. So it's a minimum of 50 characters. There, you need to be extremely precise and put a text. Don't hesitate to use artificial intelligence to make something very detailed. If you have screenshots of your account or your old account with your followers, your email, anything that can help TikTok, that will be super important. And then you confirm that what you send is real and it's true information. And then you will click on Send. So now I will simply have to type, of course. You click on Send and then TikTok will ask you to solve this little puzzle to show that you are not a robot. And then it will send a request to TikTok and TikTok will contact you directly at the email you provided to help you recover your TikTok account. If this video was helpful and assisted you, feel free to like, subscribe, and obviously share with anyone who wants to recover their TikTok account.